Have you been experiencing issues related to battery preconditioning with your Ioniq 5, EV6, or GV60? Well, that's what we're looking at today. Alright, I'm going to show you how preconditioning works in the GV60 really quickly. Alright, it's doing this thing where it won't show me anything. I don't know why. Maybe I'll need to start driving first and we'll see if it pops up. Here's what happens when I just select the actual station. I think that's actually where I have it navigating to right now. Let's go navigation, previous destinations. So this right here is my local charging station, Electrify America. I select it, set as destination. So route guidance has started, and if it recognizes the station, then I would see this screen here say battery preconditioning started, and I would see the red coils here, but I don't. Alright, so I've got my local EA charging station set into the navigation. I've already been driving for about 10 minutes. As you can see, it still has not kicked on. It says I'll arrive there in about 12 minutes, about 5.5 miles away, and it really should have kicked on by now. But that's the issue that I've encountered, where if I enter in the destination manually, it just will not work. The only way preconditioning works for me is if I go through the POI categories, select EV charging, and then select it from the list that populates via the infotainment screen. My issue here though right now is it's not populating a list. Let me show you what I mean. Go home. I should hit navigation first. Once I hit navigation, POI categories, charging station, and the list is completely empty. So there's no charging station for me to choose. So essentially, preconditioning doesn't work for me. I've done this probably 6 or 7 times. I've only had it populate the list one time. So I've only successfully preconditioned the battery one time. All of the times it shows this. So the weird thing here is that when I go to gas stations under POI categories, it works. It's able to find things. But as soon as I switch to EV charging stations, nothing. You can see it search and it just can't find anything. And as I said before, I've had it work one time where I searched and everything popped up here. I selected my desired EA station. As soon as I selected it, then the screen here showed preconditioning started, and this showed red coils. But right now, it's showing nothing. But for some reason, when I go to gas stations, it populates the list. Let's try parking. Populates a list. Let's try coffee shops. Populates a list. Fast food. Also populates the list. Restaurants. Populates the list. They're all working. Alright, we're pretty much pulling up to the station now and still nothing. It's not kicking on preconditioning, and still nothing's showing up in the list. There's the station. Nothing. And we're not done just yet. In fact, the reason I made today's video was to actually address an issue some of you have brought up to me. Now, if you recently did the BMS battery preconditioning update, some of you have noticed that while driving in eco mode, the car feels much slower than it did before. Some of you reported that it feels like cars just crawling away from a stop. Others have said that it almost feels like it's not usable because of how slow it is. So if you're experiencing the same issue, please let me know in the comment section below. My plan is to reach out to my Hyundai corporate contact and let them know, hey, this is what some of our owners are experiencing. Let me know what the next steps are. Now, personally, my GV60 Performance comes with preconditioning from the factory. And in eco mode, it still has plenty of power. In fact, my Ioniq 5 also in eco mode has plenty of power. They're about the same. 0 to 60 times is about 7 to 7.5 seconds. And that's what it feels like to me. So my recommendation for now is don't drive it in eco mode. My Ioniq 5, surprisingly for me, feels like I get better efficiency actually driving in normal mode. I can't explain it, but that means I do about 80-90% of my driving daily in the Ioniq 5 in normal mode. I don't use eco mode there. Now with the GV60 Performance here, I actually use eco mode about 100% of the time. Well, maybe 95% of the time when I'm not using boost mode or sport mode. But that's because I do feel a pretty big difference in efficiency between eco and, in this case, comfort. But in the Ioniq 5, just put it in normal mode for now because you might actually get the same efficiency. That's it for today's video. Again, let me know in the comment section below if you've noticed similar issues regarding preconditioning, and I'll be reaching out to our corporate contact and I'll let you know when I get a response back. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.